Namaskara Bengaluru. You are watching Make My Properties Weekly News. GBA new rules. Foundation certificate now mandatory in Bengaluru. After map approval, powers were shifted to the Greater Bengaluru Authority. The department has released new rules. To stop building plan violation, GBA has made it compulsory to get a certificate even for the building foundation. Strict warning against illegal constructions. GBA is taking strong steps to control illegal building activities in Bengaluru in a recent meeting. East Zone Commissioner instructed officials to strictly act against unauthorized constructions in the city. Highest land compensation for the Bidadi GBIT project. The government has issued a notice to acquire 7,481 acres across 9 villages for the Bidadi GBIT project. District Commissioner has fixed one of the highest land compensation rates in the state, keeping landowners' interest in mind. E-Khata soon for revenue sites. The RDPR department is preparing to release a notification allowing E-Khata for houses or site built on revenue land, even without official land conversion. This decision aims to benefit rural property owners. These are the real estate updates of this week from Bengaluru. See you in the next video with more information. Until then, thank you.